Hello, and welcome to Old Coin Vault. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of American coins. And this 1 cent coin from 1983 has an amazing story. You might think it's just a simple penny, but what if I told you this small coin could be worth up to $6.65 or even more in rare conditions? So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll show you how to identify valuable 1983 pennies, their varieties, mint marks, and collector tips. The 1983 USA 1 cent coin belongs to the famous Lincoln Cent series, which began way back in 1909, honoring President Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Now, something big changed in the early 1980s. Until 1982, pennies were made mostly of 95% copper. But starting in 1983, the U.S. Mint switched to a cheaper metal composition, 97.5% zinc with just a thin copper coating. That means the 1983 penny was among the first full years to feature this new zinc-based composition. This change not only affected the coin's weight, but also made some transitional errors possible, which we'll talk about soon. The new 1983 penny weighs only 2.5 grams, while older copper pennies weigh about 3.11 grams. Here's a fun fact. Some collectors use a digital scale to check if they have a rare 1983 copper planchet error, a coin accidentally struck on an older copper blank. If you ever find a 1983 penny that weighs around 3.1 grams, congratulations. That could be worth thousands of dollars, not just $6.65. Now let's take a closer look at the design. Front side. Obverse, you'll see the classic portrait of Abraham Lincoln designed by Victor David Brenner. Above Lincoln's head, the words, "In God We Trust." On the left, Liberty, and on the right, the year 1983. Right below the year, you might see a mint mark, either a small D for Denver or no mark, meaning it was minted in Philadelphia. Backside. Reverse, you'll see the Lincoln Memorial, introduced in 1959. If you look closely, you can even see a tiny statue of Lincoln inside the memorial, a neat detail that symbolizes unity and strength. In 1983, there were 3 mint locations: Philadelphia, no mint mark; Denver, D mint mark; San Francisco, S mint mark. These are proof coins made for collectors. Each mint struck millions of these coins, but only a few came out with unique varieties like the 1983 double die reverse DDR, where the lettering like 1 cent or E pluribus unum appears slightly doubled, and the copper transitional error, which I mentioned earlier. Now, let's talk money, the part everyone loves. A regular 1983 penny in circulated condition is worth around 2 cents to 10 cents. However, in uncirculated or mint state, with bright luster and no scratches, it can fetch $2 to $6.65, depending on grading, and the rare 1983 copper penny. That's where it gets exciting. Some have sold for over $15,000 to $23,000 at auctions. So yes, always check your 1983 pennies. One small difference in weight can make a huge difference in value. Here's a quick guide to check your coins. 1. Weigh it. Use a precise digital scale. 2.5 grams equals normal zinc. Around 3.1 grams equals possible copper rarity. Point 2. Look for doubling. Use a magnifier or phone macro lens to inspect the reverse side letters. Point 3. Check mint marks, D, S, or no mark. 4. Avoid damaged coins, scratches, corrosion, or bent coins lose collector value. If you find something unusual, don't clean it. Cleaning can reduce its value. Instead, store it safely and get it appraised as friends. That's the story of the 1983 USA 1 cent coin. Small in size, but rich in history and potential value. You have a 1983 penny at home? Go check your coin jars. You might be sitting on a tiny treasure worth more than you think. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your coin-loving friends. And don't forget to tap the bell icon to stay updated with all our new uploads here on Old Coin Vault. Thanks for watching, and As always, keep collecting, keep exploring, and keep your old coin vault shining.